This is to demonstrate a new product from Big Boot Software called IIS Redirect. The product will capture page requests or error pages on your website and redirect them to the correct page. This normally happens when you have your website redesigned and page names change, that the Google links are pointing to the old page, and when people click on those Google links they go to an error page on the website. This is called an error 404. For example, on this particular site, if I was to type in an invalid page, for example, my old product, and select that, my old product page does not exist, and so an error is displayed in the browser. This can be caused from lots of different things. There could be backlinks from different sites to your products on your website, and as you develop and change your websites, these links are still present on other people's websites. So when people select these links, the page is not displayed. This is bad for business, and this can be easily corrected with this new product. IIS Redirect is used on Microsoft IIS servers and is compatible with all IIS servers. First of all, we will call up our website. Now what I'm going to do here is type in a page that does not exist. This is to demonstrate what would happen if somebody clicked on a Google link that did not exist. The product is called IIS Redirect, so I'm going to just type in redirect. What happened there was the software does not know what to do with the words redirect. So instead of bringing up a 404 error, it actually brings up the default web page. This allows people to actually go and select the product they're looking for on the actual page. We now start the IIS Redirect application. First of all, we have to log on to our websites. This has already been saved as a project, so I simply select the project and open the file. First of all, what it does is read all the current directories of the website. There are no current redirects. However, we can check that. If we do a refresh, this will check the server and it will load any redirects that are present on the server. What we then do is click on refresh logs. This will fetch the current logs from the server. Now, in the demonstration, we typed in redirect, which took us to the default page. This has been saved by the server, so we know that somebody, or there is a Google link that points to this particular page that does not exist. To create a redirect, we highlight the link we want to specifically go to another page, and we go and select the correct page for it to go to, which is, on this instance, IIS Redirect, and we're going to send it to the default page. We click on Add Redirect and Publish. I'm now going to save this to my local PC so I have a record of it, and we will now minimize IIS Redirect application. If I now go back to the browser and type in redirect, you'll notice now the web page being displayed is not the default page. It has been redirected to the correct page. We can send redirects to any page we like. They do not have to be on our current website. For example, what I will do here is go back to the default page, and what I'm going to type in now is Google. What happens is it does not understand Google, so it takes us to our default page. I can then bring up the IIS Redirect application, refresh the logs, and what will happen here now, there's an item in here called Google. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to select a temporary page that I want it to go to. So I'm going to send it to this default page here. Next, what I'm going to do is double click on here, and I'm going to say I want to go to www.google.com. This means whenever it sees the word Google there, it will forward that particular request to www.google.com. So I publish that, and then if we minimize the application and we go back to our home page and type in Google, up comes Google. This product is a multi-threaded product that will work on all IIS servers. You can download the demonstration program from www.bigboot.com. Thank you for your time.